Hi everyone. I'm getting a little bit better. My voice is okay now. Everything is sorted. I think it will take 1 or 2 days more than I'll be fully okay to conduct anything. Before that, I'm not a very big fan of BTC. I do not trade BTC that much. Sometimes, like if I see any setup, if it's good and if it is aligned a lot of thing, then I only try to open a trade. There is the explanation of the trade that I took. um, Normally, if you started to see on here, right? So what we're seeing here is the buy area, which is a engulfing buy we have on here, right? So we currently we are entering in a shorter term, not shorter term, maybe we are going to see a sell again, but from this particular area. Before that, I want to explain the buy that I took. Okay, so we are in a particularly buy zone, which is this particular area. What confirmed us that we are seeing a little bit buy movement, and the sell become fell here. This sell become fell here, back to back to engulf sell. This is kind of universal rules to identify a shorter term or longer term direction, depend on how we read the direction. Okay, so you have this buy which confirm, and the fail which confirm that we may see a buy trade coming. Now refinement is the key how you can enter on a trade. And so we start from h2 h4 basically. And when we started to see all of those things, like this sell and sell, particularly the same rules that I said, like when you see two sell fell, meaning you can have a buy now, and started to looking for this particular information. And here what you can start to see, the market did eventually come back to that particular zone. So as it was a weekend, so we do not have any purest formation on here. So what we started to looking for in here, you have some unmitigated, which is this engulf, and maybe a potential buy zone for you. But one problem happened on here is this breakout, which clearly was in play. The market touch and started to give us a little bit reaction, and then created engulf and engulf. Okay, so I actually entered a trade from this particular area, where you have this as a buy engulf. Okay, and it gives you perfect one is in 30 minutes. Okay, something is this first and second and the third one on here. Now trend line, gap, and sell we have sorry, we have in higher time frame failed area, higher time frame buy area. We have the double breakout and the flipping. Basically all of the thing that we take a trade based on is there. Okay, so and on the other hand, if you started to look for sell become fail, sell become fail, so what I did, I just execute my trade particularly on here. I put I hold the trade as overnight, like my stop loss was very tight in that case. So this, now my initial plan to exit on that trade on here, basically this particular area, okay, as a h1, a daily bull breakout area. But I exited a little bit early on somewhere here in here. Okay, so now let's go to the main chart. When you started to see, I will attach the trade that I took. Okay, so basically I think I exited in somewhere here. Okay, so this is the trade that I took, and this is the trade that goes like this particular way, and this is the whole messing around here. So still okay, I think I exited some trade on here, but you have those who have trade live with me, they knows like there is literally chance to take a trade from here also. So we will see what is upcoming. So this is the trade that I had for me in yesterday. I opened at the yesterday night and I closed it though, but as I said, my initial target was there, but as I'm not a very big fan of BTC, so I had it, I closed it with a very good amount of profit. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.